If here at the table saw you're going to do a lot of rabbit hunting, you're going to cut a lot of rabbits, put a dado head in. If you're just going to cut a couple, or if you don't own a dado head, here's a really, really easy way to do rabbits on the table saw. It's going to take 2 cuts, so it's slower than a dado head, but it's a very effective way to do it. First deal, saw's unplugged. I'm using a 40-tooth alternate top bevel blade for this cut. I've got my bar stock here because I'm going to use that to set up the cut. Here's the way the setup goes. I'm going to make a 3/8 by 3/8 inch rabbit. So I'm using 3/8 bar stock, and I am going to make the top of the blade even with or just a smidge above the top of the bar stock is okay. Then, still using that bar stock, 3/8 by 3/8, bring the fence over. Now, we're not going in between like you would normally measure on the table saw. 3/8 is to the left side of that saw blade. So like setting the height, even with or let the blade project past just a tiny bit. That'll be okay. So a tiny bit, it's maybe just a 32nd of an inch past the face of that bar stock. That's all it takes to set up. Now, plug in and make a cut. And when I say make a cut, what I really mean is make 2 cuts. One with the face flat down on the table, the next with the face against the fence, the rib fence. That gives us cut number 1. That same face against the fence. Big qualifier for this process. The piece that we remove from the cut is now caught between the blade and the fence. Your body position and, in fact, your table saw position in your shop is really, really important, because if the blade has the opportunity to grab that piece, it's going to come out like a spear right here. So make sure you're way off to the side so if those kick loose, you're not next in line. You can see good cut quality, very, very fast setup, an easy way to make a rabbit or 2 if that's all you need to do on your table saw.